This is a 1964 vintage Deluxe Reading Crusader 101 remote control car. Back in 1964, I was 9, my brother was 5. My father bought my brother one of these beautiful remote control cars. As you can see, it goes forward. It goes backwards. Well, give it a second. It'll go. There it goes. It turns. Left and right. And why am I showing this on video? Because not 5 minutes after my brother received his Crusader 101 car, I broke it by accident. And for 50 years, I have felt twangs of guilt every once in a while. So in the last few weeks, I have purchased 2 of these very, very rare Crusader 101s. And I proceeded to create one working vehicle for my brother, who's now 55 years old, soon to be 56. And on his 56th birthday, I'm sending this out to him in California. I hope he likes it.